Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the Bank Nifty and Nifty has moved in the last week and how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move in the next on the Monday. Okay, so if we look at this chart, we have seen that the Bank Nifty has made a high and from there for a month. Okay, then it came down and again moving in a particular range. See, if you look at this chart, we have seen a big gap down. Okay, and again there's a gap down. Okay, so that was a possibility that after creating this gap down, after making a low, that it has moved up again. So there is a pattern is created. Okay, once this pattern is break upside or downside, then we can see there can be an uptrend. Okay, but we have seen that the price or the Bank Nifty is moving in a particular range. Okay, see, this is the high and this is the low, but the trend is upside after making a low at this point, but this support is okay. See, look at this, the trend is upside, but after making this, filling this gap, it has come down again. So what we can expect on Monday? See, if we look at this chart, if it opens above 31,700, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 31,800 also. Okay, once if it stays above 800, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 32,000 also. Okay, so what we have to expect that it should open above 31,700, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 31,800 to 32,000. Okay, which is a big resistance point. Once this 32,000 is cross upside, then we can see there can be a sharp, it can go to a level of 32,160 around. Okay, and once this is touched, then we can see that it can go further high. Okay, but if we look at the downside, okay, see, then after touching 32,160, then there is probability it can touch a level 32,240 or 250 also, but it has to stay above that level. But if you look at the downside, we can see that if it opens below 31,500, then we can expect that it can go further low, but it has to open below 31,500. Okay, so but what you have to understand one thing, that if the price, but we have seen that the after making low, the Bank Nifty, it is moving in a particular range. Okay, once this range is break downside or upside, then we can see further low and high. So if it opens below 31,500, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 31,350 or 380 around. Okay, which is a support. Once this support is break downside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 30,000. Okay, it can touch a level 30,900 also, but it has to stay below 31,500. Once 31,500 is achieved, then we can see it can touch a level 31,300 also, and from there we can see a level of 31,200 or 180. Okay, because I have already told you in my previous video, okay, that the Bank Nifty can move upside. Okay, so what it does, it moved, it has opened a gap down, and from there it has moved up. Okay, continuously. So if it opens below 31,500, then we can expect that it can touch a level of 31,180 also, and from there 31,000, but it has to break this range of 31,500. So once this range is break, then we can expect that there is chances that it can go downside. Okay, so let's wait where in the market opens, and then we'll decide where the Bank Nifty goes. See, this is a strong support, 31,300. So there is a probability, and it is tested twice. Once the price of Bank Nifty comes below around this level, then we can see that there is a probability that it can move further low. Okay, because we have seen that after touching all after moving upside, and the Bank Nifty is moving in a particular range. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens and then we'll decide accordingly. Okay, if it opens above 31,700, then we'll be on the buy side, or if it opens below in call side, if it opens below 31,500, then we'll be on the selling side, because we can see that the market can go downside. Okay, so let's wait where it market opens. Okay, now we'll talk about Nifty. Okay, now if the Nifty you can see this is the Nifty chart, and we have seen that the Nifty is moving in a particular range. We have seen the same Bank Nifty pattern here also. It's a big gap down, and from there making a high, and from there it is moving in a particular range. Okay, see, gap down, and from that made a low, and then from there is moving particular range. So if the Nifty opens above 14,250, below 14,250, then we can